तो बच्चों आज हम लोग इस वीडियो में बात करेंगे आरएमएस 2024 क्लास 9 मैथ का क्वेश्चन। तो पहले क्वेश्चन को समझते हैं। यहाँ पे क्वेश्चन क्या दिया है, इन द गिवन फिगर इफ एंगल 3 is equal to 50 degree then what will be the value of angle 8 full stop, and this is the figure here it is given, and option A is 50 degree, option B is 60 degree, option C is 100 degree, option D is 130 degree। तो बच्चों यहाँ पे दिया है ये angle 3 is already given as per the question, it is having here as a 50 degree. So as a line pair angle, this angle 3 and angle 4 both together will become 180. So 180 minus 50, it means angle 4 will become here as a 130 degree, and as per the question they had asked about that angle 8. So this is our angle 8. If you see in the figure, this angle 4 and angle 8 are called as a corresponding angle. So we can write it here that angle 4 is equal to angle 8. So that will become here also, this angle also will become as a 130 degree. So this is equal to here 130 degree, which is given in option D. So option D is the right answer for this question. This is one of the simple questions. Just look at the figure, and if you know about this basics, you can answer within a second. So like just read the question and give the answer. तो आपको समझाने के लिए मैंने इतना कुछ बताया है। आई होप यू अंडरस्टैंड दिस क्वेश्चन वेरी वेल। थैंक यू।